Hello sir, good evening. First of all, my name is Joseph Boday and I'm the leader of this group, and we're here to present to you our case study. Our title is Exploring the Social Impact of Deepfakes as a case study about reliability and safety. Introduction. Researchers at MIT Media Laboratory are using deepfakes technology to create personalized role models, altering real-time video streams to alter mood and task activity. This technology, which is currently limited to recorded video, uses AI-powered filter to manage attentions and optimize interpersonal dynamics. Deepfakes technology, where an AI agent works on behalf of a communicator to modify, augment, or generate messages, can undermine media trust and influence beliefs, but it may also become more common and mundane in improving communication. So, based po sa pag-aaral sa deepfakes is, ang deepfakes po ay ginagamit ang deepfakes po ay ang mga videos na gine-generate ng AI. So, ang deepfakes po is pwede siyang gamitin sa social media and news, and advertisings. So, yung gamit po ang AI. So, gamit po ang AI. Ang isang video po, example po like me, nagbibideo po dito. So, ang isang gamit po ang AI na nag-generate po ng AI yung sinasabi po ng isang tao. Kunyari po ako dito sa unahan, sa may cellphone, nagbibideo. Gamit ang AI, naiiba niya yung mga sinasabi, kaya naiiba niya yung sinasabi, kaya pagka pinost sa social media, maraming mag-iisip kung totoo ba talaga kung sinasabi ko yun. So, ganun po kalawak ang AI natin ngayon. Gamit po ang AI, nagkakaroon po tayo ng deepfakes technology. And super delikado to sa society natin. Mas nagagamit ito ng mga masamang tao. Ganun. Yung ginagamit nila ito para makapagloko ng tao, minsan ginagamit sa pagnanakaw, ganun. Kaya sobrang laking delikado po ng deepfakes. So, here's the background of the study of our case study. Deepfakes involve deception, internationally misleading others. People are not good at detecting deception and can easily acquire false beliefs. Meta-analysis show that people perform slightly above chance when evaluating a message as a true or deceptive. This level of accuracy is not affected by the medium, as deception detection is approximately the same whether the message is conveyed through text, audio recording, or video. Studies have shown that people perform slightly above chance when evaluating messages. Deepfakes videos can manipulate public opinion and erode trust in media, potentially impacting society and democratic process. Tech giants like Google and Meta have implemented deepfake generated content policies in 2023 to regulate AI ads on political and social issues. Labeling is now required to make it easier to easier for user to identify if images are enhanced or generated using AI assisted methods. So, ayun, base sa pag-aaral, nagkaroon sila ng solusyon about sa deepfakes gamit din ng AI. So, may AI generated na nag-check kung ang videos or image ay AI ay deepfakes or hindi. May AI na ginagamit sila o AI tools na ginagamit sila para ma-identify yung deepfakes na yon. So gaya nga ng sabi ko dito sa deepfake videos can manipulate public opinion and erode trust in media. So manipulate niya yung society, na manipulate niya yun gamit ang deepfakes. Dahil tayong mga tao mabilis tayong maniwala sa mga sinasabi ng social media. About sa social media, kunyari meron akong nakita na meron akong example tulad nito. Example dito na merong kaya niyang gayahin yung image ng tao, kaya niyang gayahin yung parang sobrang accurate nung mukha niya, sa mukha niya yung pagkakatulad niya. Tapos magkakaroon ng pag-iiba yung salita, magkakaroon ng salita na hindi natin nakalain na masasabi yun. Hindi natin nakalain na magagawa pala yun. And this is my presentation to our topic, and the next one is the chapter 2. Thank you, sir.
Sa Dulur Katandian, this summary explores the ethical problems of deepfake technology using 3 principles from the ACM Code of Ethics. Number 1. Contribute to society. Deepfakes have some benefits but mostly cause harm by spreading lies, reducing trust in media. Number 2. Avoid harm. They are used to damage reputations, spread fake news, and create abusive content like non-consensual pornography. Number 3. Respect privacy. Deepfakes often use people's image without consent, violating their privacy and causing emotional harm. The chapter also talk about the challenge of balancing innovation with ethics. While deepfakes area form of innovation, stronger laws and ethical rules are needed to prevent misuse, even if what raise concern about free speech. Ano po sa ng deepfakes show how news technology can be misused in harmful ways. They often break ethical rules by hurting people and violating privacy. Even to innovation matters, it must be balanced with responsibility. We need law and tools to manage deepfakes risks while still supporting free expression.
Enhancing deepfake and verification recommendation makes significant investment in the study and creation and reliable, approachable, and the innovative deepfake indexation system that entails creating the tools that allow the people and the organization to quickly confirm the legitimacy of the video as well that can detect subtle manipulation beyond what is currently possible. Isa sa mga recommendation ay mga enhancing deepfake verification. Layunin nito na bumuo ng mga investment kagaya ng mga deepfake detection system. Layunin ng system na ito ay allow sa mga tao or organization na kumpirmahin if legit ba yung mga audio or videos within the social media para ma-prevent yung mga pagkalat o pagkalawak ng mga maling impormasyon. The special issue explores deepfake technology and societal and ethical implication, focusing on rapid proliferation and potential. It highlights the arms race between sophisticated deepfake creation and plugin detection method. The issue also explores the physical and logical and social consequences of deepfakes, such as increased uncertainty about information source and manipulation of public opinion. It proposed a multi-pronged approach to mitigate risk, including investment in advanced detection technology, legal frameworks, media literacy, education programs, and industry best practices. The issue calls for ethical guidelines in deepfake research.